káàbọ̀ sínú ẹ̀kọ́ tí òní ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Èmi olùkọ́ yín Adéṣọlá náà ni. You're welcome to today's lesson, my beautiful and handsome-looking students. And today's lesson, we'll be learning òǹkà èdè Yorùbá from 31 to 40. We'll be learning how to read and write from number 31 to 40. If you've been following this channel, I'm sure you've learned how to read from number 1 to 30. And today, we are going to start with number 31 to 40. I'm sure you've been going through your numbers very well, and I'm sure you've mastered them. You can read and write your Yoruba numbers correctly. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started. We have 31. Ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. Ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n. We all know 30 is ọgbọ̀n, right? Ọ̀kan is 1. That is 30 plus 1. And that gives us ọ̀kànlélọ́gbọ̀n, 31. So we have 32. 32. Èjìlélọ́gbọ̀n. 30 is ọgbọ̀n, right? So 30 plus 2. And that makes it 32. So we have 33, which is ẹ̀tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. Ọgbọ̀n is 30. Ẹ̀ta is 3. So that is 30 plus 3. And that gives us 33. Ẹ̀tàlélọ́gbọ̀n. We have ẹ̀rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. Ẹ̀rin is 4. 30 is ọgbọ̀n. 30 plus 4, that is 34. Ẹ̀rìnlélọ́gbọ̀n. It's as simple as anything. Counting of Yoruba numbers is very, very simple. You just have to calm down, so you master it very well. So we have àrùndínlógójì. That sounds big, right? It sounds, no worries, simple. Àrùndínlógójì. Ogójì is 40, which is ogún méjì. Ogún is 20. That is ogójì. Ogún méjì. 20 in 2 places. That is 40, right? So, and we have àrùndínlógójì. That is 40 minus 5. And that gives us 35. It's very, very simple. Like, seriously. Kò lọ far. So, àrùndínlógójì. 35. 40 minus 5. So we have 36. Ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. Ogójì is 40. Ogún méjì, 40. Ogójì, 40. The same thing. So ogójì is 40. That is 40 minus 4. And that is 36. Ẹ̀rìndínlógójì. Ẹ̀tàdínlógójì. 37, right? 40. Ogójì. That is 40 minus 3. That is 37. Ẹ̀tàdínlógójì. We have èjìdínlógójì. Èjìdínlógójì. Èjì is 2. Ogójì is 40. That is 40 minus 2. And that gives us 38. The calculation is very, very simple. Seriously. So we have ọ̀kàndínlógójì. Ọ̀kàndínlógójì. Ogójì is 40. Ọ̀kan is 1. That is 40 minus 1. And that gives us 39. Ọ̀kàndínlógójì. So we have ogójì, which is 40. Ogójì, that is ogún méjì. Ogún is 20, like I said. So 20 plus 20. For you to remember, like if you want to quickly get it or remember, you say 20 in 2 places. And that gives us 40. It is as simple as whatever you think of. It is as simple as ABC. Let me just put it that way. So if you are yet to check the channel for how to read from number 1 to 30, quickly go and check so you don't lag behind. Sure you understand. You have to be able to read, not only to be able to read your Yoruba correctly, you must be able to write it. Yes, you must be able to write your Yoruba correctly so you don't disgrace me outside. I'm sure you get that. So I believe you've learned something today, and if you've seen my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification so you don't miss any lesson. So don't forget to always practice your counting of numbers. They are very, very simple. You just have to like be focused. Sure you get it. Don't get distracted. You'll get it. It's as simple as ABC. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Odabo.